Hello student, I am Ashraf. Today I will teach standard 10 geography subject. Topic of my teaching is climate. In the previous class I have taught about climate of India, but remaining parts which I have not taught in previous class, today I am going to teach, that is seasons and distribution of rainfall and characteristic of rainfall I will teach. Hello student, I am going to teach part 2 subject geography chapter climate. Topic seasons and distribution of rainfall. First student, I am going to explain what are seasons. How many types of seasons are there in India? Before that I am going to tell about, in India there are 4 types of seasons. First I am going to describe about summer season. Summer season are hot dry summer. Hot dry season lasts from March to May. During this season the sun is shining vertically over the Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer which passes India middle, and the belt of maximum temperature moves northwest. The heat is intense in this season. It is during May that the low pressure areas begin to develop over the land, but during this time the winds do not blow from the sea and therefore the weather remains dry. The low pressure over northern plains draws wind from surrounding areas and gives rise to thunderstorm with dusty wind. The thunderstorm accompanied with strong winds and heavy rainfall occur in Assam and West Bengal. These local winds are called Kal Baisakhi. Kal Baisakhi is a local wind, and this wind is experienced in West Bengal and it brings calamity in West Bengal. This rain is in the month of April-May is good for tea in Assam and jute and rice in West Bengal. The Kal Baisakhi is beneficial in Assam for tea, jute and rice in West Bengal. This rainfall caused by thunderstorm among Kerala and Karnataka. Coast is very important for mango and is called mango shower. Such rains are also called cherry blossom in Karnataka. That is Lu. It blows in India, in Bihar, in summer season. It is also known as a local wind. Now I am going to explain rainy season. Rainy season, also called southwest monsoon season, begins in June with the southwest monsoons and ends in September. The winds blow from high pressure areas over the sea to the low pressure areas over the land. These winds are loaded with moisture. As these moistened winds come over the land, they rise along the hill slopes and mountains. After rising, these winds become cooler and lose their capacity to hold moisture. This causes rain. The temperature is still high, but weather is not so hot because the clouds protect the land from the sun and rain cools the air. At Mumbai, the temperature falls by 10 degrees Celsius after a week's rain. Nagpur sees a maximum temperature of 45 degrees Celsius in May, which falls to 31 degrees Celsius in July. Another example, windward side area get more rainfall and leeward side area get less rainfall. Example, Mumbai gets more rainfall from southwest monsoon wind in rainy season. If we talk about Pune, and it gets less rainfall. in Mumbai, for example, I tell you 200 centimeter rainfall in Mumbai in summer season, in rainy season, but in Pune gets only 70 centimeter because Pune lies in the leeward side area. Next point, student, I am going to explain before you. These winds bring heavy rainfall accompanied by violent thunder and lightning. This sudden violent onset of rainfall is termed as the burst of the monsoon. Burst of the monsoon, it means we get the heavy rainfall. The southwest monsoon winds are divided into two branches. One branch it is known as the Arabian Sea branch, and second it is known as Bay of Bengal branch. In this during this monsoon season, wind blows from sea to land. The next point, student, I am going to explain before you. Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon strikes the western coast of India in Kerala. It gives very heavy rainfall along the windward side of Western Ghats. The duration of amount of rainfall decreases as this branch advances northward. As a student, South India get more rainfall than North India, because the first, if we talk about southwest monsoon, strike first in Kerala. Kerala get 350 centimeter rainfall in rainy season. And after Kerala, we talk about Karnataka, it gets only 300 centimeter. Goa get 200 centimeter rainfall, and Mumbai gets 200 centimeter. Goa get 250 centimeter rainfall, and Mumbai gets 200 centimeter. It tells about as we go from south to west, rainfall will decrease. The two reasons of very little rain of Arabian Sea are: first, the moisture-laden wind that pass over Rajasthan do not saturate. This is because the heat in desert region increases their moisture holding capacity. If the wind doesn't get saturated, it means wind doesn't bring rainfall in Rajasthan. That I am talking about western desert. It is also known as a Thar desert. Alignment of Aravalli is parallel to rain-bearing southwest monsoon wind. Aravalli range is parallel to southwest monsoon wind, and it is not able to stop southwest monsoon wind, and southwest monsoon wind crosses from Aravalli range. That is why Rajasthan doesn't get rainfall from Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon wind. Now, student, I am telling about Bay of Bengal. After picking moisture from Bay of Bengal, the Bay of Bengal branch moves toward northeast, the coast of Myanmar and Bangladesh. Andaman and Nicobar Island are the first to receive rainfall from this branch. Moreover, we know, student, Meghalaya is the only state of India that experiences or receives heavy rainfall. In Meghalaya, the place Masenram near Cherrapunji, it gets annual rainfall about 1250 centimeter. Meghalaya stands at the end of a funnel-shaped valley which acts as a trough of rain-bearing Bay of Bengal branch of southwest monsoon, facing them to shed moisture. See one example now I am going to tell about the Bay of Bengal branch. Meghalaya gets, it means Masinram gets to 1250 centimeter rainfall. Even Shillong is located at the leeward side of Garo Khasi hills, and it gets only rainfall 250 centimeter. Now, student, I am going to teach retreating southwest monsoon season. Student, now I am going to teach retreating southwest monsoon season. The retreating southwest monsoon season lasts from October to November. During this period, monsoons start retreating or withdrawing first from the north and then from the south. In northwest India, the intensity of low pressure decreases by the middle of September, and the monsoon retreats from most parts of North India. Due to high temperature and high humidity, the weather becomes oppressive in this season. This oppressive weather is commonly known as October heat. Now student, tropical depression in another point of retreating monsoon, it is also known as a low pressure system caused by local variation by heat and moisture led to tropical cyclone in November and December. Whenever they occur in India, they cause great loss of life and property. Now student, I am going to teach fourth season. It is cold season. Cold season commences at the end of November and continues till March. During this season, the weather remains cool and dry. This season is dry because the winds blow from land which are without moisture. This is the time of northeastern monsoon. At this time, eastern coast of India receives some rainfall because the winds pick up some moisture as they pass over the Bay of Bengal. It gives rainfall in Coromandel coast, and Tamil Nadu is the state of India. It receives rainfall in cold winter season. Now student, I am going to teach about distribution rainfall in India. Rainfall is not evenly distributed in India. It is undistributed. Some parts of India gets heavy rainfall, some parts of India get less rainfall. It mostly depends upon the relief and direction of monsoon winds. Some areas of India which receive rainfall more than 200 centimeter annually. The name of these areas: Western Ghats and the West Coast Plain, parts of Northeast India like Assam and Meghalaya. Annual rainfall of 100 centimeter, 200 centimeter, some areas received. The name of these areas are Himalayan region, the Gangetic Plains in Bihar and West Bengal, parts of eastern coast, Assam Valley and Purvanchal Hills, northeastern parts of Peninsular Plateau. Some area of India gets rainfall less, it means more than 60 centimeter or less than 100 centimeter. The part of India lies in interior part. In the north-south belt from Punjab to north of Tamil Nadu gets rainfall from 60 centimeter to 100 centimeter. Some area of India get rainfall less than 60 centimeter like Rajasthan, Jammu and Kashmir and Peninsular India. If we talk about Jammu and in Dras sector, Ladakh gets annual rainfall is 10 centimeter, less than 10 centimeter. If we talk about Rajasthan, it gets the rainfall only less than 50 centimeter. Now I am going to teach a student characteristic of summer monsoon rainfall. Important characteristic of summer monsoon rainfall in Indian subcontinent are following. I am going to explain before you. Summer monsoon are uncertain, unreliable. So monsoon bursts in silent characteristic of summer monsoon rainfall. It rains suddenly. There are breaks or dry spell during summer monsoon. These breaks are associated with tropical depression or cyclones which determine the amount and intensity of rainfall in India away from the source of moisture, that is, sea monsoon rainfall goes on decreasing. That is why Kolkata received 120 centimeter rainfall, Patna received 102 centimeter rainfall, Allahabad 76 centimeter rainfall, Delhi 56 centimeter rainfall and about 50 centimeter in Punjab. The southwest monsoon first of all strike the western slope of Western Ghats. They are higher than the Eastern Ghat. Because of more height, the Western Ghat receive more rainfall. As these winds reach the Eastern Ghat, they become devoid of moisture. Moreover, the Eastern Ghats are situated parallel to the Bay of Bengal branch of southwest monsoon wind. That is why Eastern Ghat get less rainfall. Now student, I am going to, for example, this is the mountain. This is the mountain. we talk about the mountain. This side in the wind direction side, this area lies in the wind direction side, and this is the lee. This area gets more rainfall. It is known as the windward side area. This is known as a windward side. And this area is known as a rain shadow area. Rain shadow, it means leeward side. Leeward side. Windward side of southwest monsoon wind, area which lie windward side of southwest monsoon wind get more rainfall. Areas which lie the leeward side of southwest monsoon wind, they get less rainfall. Example, here Mumbai and Pune. Mumbai get more rainfall than Pune because Mumbai lies in windward side of southwest monsoon wind, and Pune lies the leeward side of southwest monsoon wind. Mumbai get 200 centimeter rainfall and Pune gets only 70 centimeter rainfall. Thus, student, today I have completed the chapter Climate of India. I will give some questions related to this chapter. Thank you, student. Have a nice day.